Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. You guys know what it is. It is the beginning of the new month, so that means new coupons print. I always print my coupons off swag bucks because I get a point for every single coupon that I print, and then depending on where you use those coupons at, you could get 25 points back. I almost have $90 worth of points that I've been using for the past year, and I save up my money for Christmas. So you got to do this on a PC only. You can't do it on your computer. But I don't know if these reset or not. I printed these off yesterday. I was only able to print one coupon, but they have the Yes Sipping, 75 cents off of that, the Garnier, and then they have the $2.50 Aveeno. I know the Clairol $5 off of 2. I don't know if these just reset because I only printed off one, but they're up above, so I'm assuming they reset. Here we have the Meow Mix again that reset, but they did add some new coupons. Looks like the Vaseline, the $1 off body lotion reset, so I'm just gonna print that off. Tresemme looks like that reset. Suave Kids reset. And then here's something that I never ever get. That Insueno fabric softener, $1 off of that. I'm pretty excited for that. We got the $1 off gums. Flosser, I'm not going to print that off. Jack Daniels, $3 off that. You're going to also see some new coupons that just totally reset. But we have the $1 off of 2 Kellogg's. We have a $2 off Bic Razor, 75 cents off Minute Rice. And then these are ones that reset every single time. Now here's that 50 cents off of 2 Annie's that I could have used yesterday at CVS, but not a big deal. $3 off Tenya. Layer bar, a lot of these all reset. Looks like the Rimmel Eye reset, so I'm definitely printing that off. Desitin, $2. This all stuff reset also. Let's see what else I got. $1 off the Suave deodorant. Sorry for going a little too fast, but some coupons printed, so that's a good thing. And then the ones that looks like they did not reset are the ones on these are on the bottoms. I printed off these the other day, but just wanted to show you guys new coupons to print, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.